Hello, this is Amanda May of Art of Design. I'm showing you the Vamos tile. These are peel and stick PVC composite laminate tiles. This is a geometric pattern. It's got that high arch, and there's the black and white, and then there's the gold trim accents down as well. So these come in 10 sheets, and the back has the protective plastic on it, like to keep the sticker adhesive from getting on you. And I have decided I'm going to cover my 1970s home bar with these tiles. So I went ahead and wiped down the surface of my bar and cleaned it all up so I could get ready to place the tiles. The company and the manufacturer say that you can put these peel and stick tiles on top of any smooth surface like existing ceramic tile in your home or other smooth surfaces. I just made sure my surface was cleaned first, and then I started peeling and sticking. So you want to make sure you're putting it on. The first time you put on is the only time, because trying to pull off that sticky adhesive, it is difficult. It can be done. It's really strong adhesive. So here I'm placing all of them, and now I'm getting to the end where I've got to cut and make precision cuts. I am using a razor, like box cutter blade, a DeWalt blade, to cut my composite tile. Here I'm showing you how I can cut them. I'm using my long ruler and then kind of bending and making it snap, and then carefully cutting around the lines. I had to go in between the lines to make a perfect cut, and I did that and then used pliers to gently score that spot and bend it down. So my husband is doing that right here. He's just kind of bending it, and it's snapping that PVC composite so I'll get a perfect length of tile. So he's snapping it there, and then I'm going to go back with my razor and cut the back sticky portion out off the back of it. These are really cool because you don't need to use any grout or any additional supplies other than I literally just had the scissors, my razor blade, and the pliers, and a ruler and a level. So 5 different little supplies, and was super fun and easy to adhere. So as I'm getting down to the bottom, I am going to be cutting these down, and I'm going to be working around that base of the bar there and making some precision cuts. So those are the things that take the longest, is if you're having to make precision cuts. So again, using my level, using my ruler, and just being patient and getting it all put together. I really like this tile. It has the look of marble, but it's that PVC laminate tile. So here is my final look. It is my black and white bar, and I love it. It is really a statement piece. I'm really happy with it. I went ahead and painted the trim around my bar area black as well to get it to look extra. I want to thank the company for sending me this tile in exchange for an honest review. I've really enjoyed it, and I hope you do too, and happy decorating. Take care.